My name is Dr. Hoan Pho. I'd like to invite you to look at what we're doing in our clinic at hoanphomd.com. What makes us unique is that we specialize in many different fields, including internal medicine, primary care, aesthetics, wellness, weight loss, and hormonal replacement therapy. We strive to give you the best and most comprehensive health care, including vascular screening tests, stroke prevention, and prevention of coronary artery disease. The philosophy and foundation to our healthcare goals for you will be prevention with good nutrition, exercise, community, and mindfulness. Our goal and model is to look amazing, feel great, and live your best life. Check us out. Thank you for your support and follow us on Hoan Pho MD.